This was the old light. I don't know, I got that in the camera. Yeah. I guess I could show the... Here's how bright the light there was. This light, if I can see it, is I think it says Maxima M42206R. There's a trailer light that I had at the company, at the transportation department of the company I work at. So there's that. And those little lights for the license plate are little lights I get for, I think they're 4 license plates actually, but I get them for my live well. I think that's a little brighter. And that little flashing is this module right here. So that plate's pretty visible. It gets pretty bright compared to what it was.